Hello everyone, I'm Buddy Corbin with GAPropertyTaxAppeal.com. This is a short, impromptu, very unprofessional video that will give you a good explanation of our services. We provide homeowners and investors with the education, forms, letters, comparable sales necessary to appeal their property taxes and save hundreds if not thousands of dollars a year. In the current economic downturn, I do not know any homeowner or investor that's not experienced a decrease in their property values. I do not mind paying my fair share, but paying more than my fair share is not acceptable when there's something I can do about it. If you're watching this video from a video blog, please go to our homepage at www.GAPropertyTaxAppeal.com and click on the Calculate Your Savings link to the left of the page to estimate your possible savings. When you calculate your savings, we have an example there that shows a savings of over $1,500 for a 3-year period if your assessed value is only decreased by 10%. You're welcome to calculate your personal savings with this spreadsheet as well. As you can see, we're talking a substantial savings. There are no guarantees, but most counties will not reassess your property for the current year plus 2 more years, so it's highly possible that your savings would be for a 3-year period before you would need to appeal again. You can also check the FAQ link to the left of the home page and answers most of the common questions about who we are, our experience, and our services. We do not appeal your property taxes for you. I want to make sure you're clear on this. In a nutshell, what we do is we provide you the tools to appeal your own property taxes, including the forms, the letters, training, and comparable sales you need for only $99. There are other services out there that advertise a much lower upfront cost, but also charge as much as a third of your savings. $99 is all you'll pay with GAPropertyTaxAppeal.com with no additional fees. Once you register for our service and provide your property information, you'll have access to video training and information that explains the entire appeal process from start to finish. A representative with GAPropertyTaxAppeal.com will prepare your property tax return, which must be postmarked by April 1st. That's why it's imperative that you order today. Our deadline for receiving your application for service is Friday, March 27th, and may change without notice. We'll email your property tax return to you, which you can either hand deliver or mail postmarked no later than April 1st. We'll also include all appeal letters, forms, a flow sheet explaining the timeline of the appeal, a list of the objections you might hear if you take your appeal to the Board of Equalization, and how to overcome those objections. For example, how do you respond if you were told your comparable sales are not close enough to the subject property, or that your comparable sales do not count because it was a distressed sale? We help you with responses to all these questions. We've taken the time to interview tax officials and monitor Board of Equalization hearings to understand how to respond to these questions. We also provide you with comparable sales compiled in a packet to be used with your appeal. If you're satisfied with the comparable sales we provide, all you need to do is follow our directions and use our information for your appeal. We give you all the information you need to do your appeal, but you would do the appeal yourself. We do not guarantee a value. All we can do is use the information available in prior sales to have supporting data to support the value that we arrive at. If you feel your value is not as low as you would like, you're welcome to use the training and information that we provide and edit the packet we send you and substitute your own comparable sales. I would caution, and we'll go into this in the video training, that your comparable sales must show that the value was, and I quote, the amount a knowledgeable buyer would pay for the property and a willing seller would accept for the property at an arm's length bona fide sale. You cannot use distressed sales to bring down your value, and that is why you have to be very careful in choosing the comparable sales that you use. Now, all this information that we provide will be emailed to you with a contact number and email if you have any questions. For you investors, the education alone is worth the cost. You can take what you learn here and appeal multiple properties. All you will need are comparable sales for that particular property, which can be found from a number of different sources. There's also a link to the left of the home page to North Metro Real Estate Investors Association. If you're a member of North Metro REIA, you'll get a $10 discount for this product. North Metro REIA is a great source for education and networking for investors and real estate agents. Membership information can be found on the home page to the left under membership options. GAPropertyTaxAppeal.com is a service of North Metro REIA, which will be shown on all credit card processing. If you have any questions prior to ordering, please email those to info@GAPropertyTaxAppeal.com. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to helping you with your property tax appeal.